Heather, this house over on the west side of Panama City Beach is a rental machine, but you could have it for your own.
Absolutely. You could live here in this beautiful, gorgeous house. Man, 5 bedrooms, 4.5 bath, so much space. I can't wait to show everybody.
Let's go check it out.
Okay. And all of this open living space. This is perfect for after a beach day. Whew.
This modern kitchen allows you to take in the beautiful Gulf views. This beautiful bedroom is upstairs and one of 3 ensuite bedrooms.
And notice the sleeping space and arrangements in this ensuite. It's perfect for more renters. This backyard is massive for Front Beach Road.
Absolutely, and this sparkling pool.
Oh.
So many options. You could have a pool day or you could make your way to the beach.
Okay, let's do it. See, Britt, here we are, already at the sand. Look at the description below. I've got the listing link and all the details there for you.
And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, thebeachshow.com. You don't want to miss out on any future deals like these.